Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is AG Update. So guys, in this video I'm going to tell you guys the latest updates on Labs token. So this is a project a lot of people participated in their pre-sale, only for them to get disappointed today. So this is currently trending on the crypto space because a lot of people invested their money into it and they are currently at loss. So on the 3rd of June 2026, so they were able to see their token, which was a massive gain. So if you participated with $5,000, there is approximately chance of you getting a massive return, which was massive. But the only problem then was the return was vested. So the return was vested till today, which is to be unlocked at 1 a.m. UTC. So time before the vested tokens were unlocked, the price massively rolled. So you can see Labs dropped 3.6% ahead of vested claim for early users. So Lab price declined 3.6% over the last past 24 hours, despite announcing that vested claim for early adopters will go live Friday at 1 a.m. UTC. The upcoming token distribution event is intended as a reward, but may have prompted profit taking ahead of increased supply unlocking. So you can see guys, this is a massive disappointment, and in the last 24 hours it is currently trading at $0.087421 and down with 22.9% in the last 24 hours according to CoinGecko. So in the last 24 hours it is down with 22.9%. In the last 7 days it is down with 31.8%. In 14 days 39.9%. In 30 days 64.1%, while in 60 days it is currently down with 99.1%. So the project have not reached 1 year, so there's no 1 year data for it. So a lot of people are complaining on X about this project. So let's take a look at Skyline. So Skyline invested into the Labs project community cell on Legion. So it was posted on Legion 9 months ago. Its worth was 5,600,000 today, which was given to them on the 3rd of June 2026. So it was given to them on 3rd of June 2026. As of today, which is 14th of August 2026, on a Friday, you can see by Skyline finally received my Labs token of $5,607,000 to $3,219. Nice rug. So you can see guys, this was a massive loss. So he invested $5,000 and he's getting $3,219 in return. So the rug was very massive. So the crypto space is currently bleeding, and a lot of projects are still scamming people that trust in them, which is very bad. I will always repeat it, anything vested in the crypto space is a waste of time. Vested tokens are not doing anything, especially people that participated in airdrops, people that participate in pre-sale. Once the token you got from them is vested, just decline it from your mind that it is going to be a rug and it's going to be massively not good at the end. So this is the latest update on Labs. I'm going to keep you guys updated on the project. Currently rank 328 on CoinGecko. So I'm going to keep you guys updated. Make sure to hit on that subscription button and tell me, were you affected by this also? If so, please drop your thoughts at the comment section, and see you in my next video. And this is AG Update, your friend in crypto. Thank you guys, and minimal grains to your wallet.